This is a video on how to repair the buttons on your Frigidaire stove. It could work for other brands too, but mine just happens to be the Frigidaire. And there's a trick on the internet about using an eraser on the blue ribbons and just reconnecting it. I've done that several times and it has worked, but the problem always comes back, and it seems to be coming back quicker. This last time it only lasted 2 months, so this is in a rental unit, so I didn't want to deal with those calls, so I just decided to replace the whole touch panel. And it wasn't too bad. It took me probably 15 minutes. First thing you do is unscrew the back panel. It's got these weird square notches, but if you just take a hex head, my multi-screwdriver worked properly, and yeah, you can just unscrew like 6 bolts and then take it out. Next, you have to unplug the 4 cables in the back assembly. You just pull those out, they're tabbed. And then you have to take off the front stainless steel panel, and there's four bolts that you have to take out from there. And then there's 2 lower bolts from the front that you have to unscrew. They're down on the lower tabs, and you just unscrew them near where the grill is. I wish I took a better video of this next part where you actually take off the panel, but there's essentially just 4 bolts, and use the same screwdriver to take those out, and the whole thing pops out once those cables were unplugged. And then you just kind of take the ribbons off, and there's actually like 8 screws that hold it onto the touch membrane, the circuit board onto the touch membrane, so you do have to take off all those screws as well. But it's an easy process. I just forgot to take video of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you mount it all together and you put everything back in reverse. I'm just showing you those screw locations all over the board that you have to take off. So that's basically it, and then just put everything else back. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps you. If it did, put a like, comment, subscribe.